Yo, everybody, it's Mike from Monkey Fab Garage. It's monkeyfabgarage.com. And we're talking about harnesses today. I've been meaning to do this for a while. I made this for you guys because I've done this a few times, and these never really fit well. It always looks like like a hot mess. So how you fix it's real simple. You just plug it in. You take all the loom off, all the tape, and you just go with the wires. And you plug them in, and then you peel back the wires that you don't need and pull them out of the sockets. And the ones that you do need, you generally need to shorten them. So this right here, this gives you everything you need to do that in one simple little kit. So what we got here is all of the main connectors from basically uh, the fuel injector head there forward. All the other stuff is pretty much just stays in there. Yeah, so just give you a quick rundown. We got the fuel injector harness, we got the TPS guy, we got the 24X crank and the 58. So don't worry about if I have this or that, it's all there. We got a map sensor. We have the coils. These are universals, so this will need a cavity plug in one of those, but you guys are smart, you'll figure that out. Coolant temperature sensor guy, our more pressure sensors. So we got our oil pressure, our fuel pressure, and our intake air temperature sensor. The Bosch out. So this guy right here, you can just wire this in. The pictures of what wires go where are on our website. But yeah, if you don't want to do the adapter and adapt it to the Bosch, you can just wire this guy in. It's just one less wire than what's on this guy anyway, and it's easy to figure out because I already put the pictures up there for you because I'm a bro. We also got the regular one. This is a universal, but it's your O2, the cam guy, and the IAC. You get extra pins, extra sills. So this is like 90% of these. The Bosch one we don't have extra pins for, and the IAC we don't. I'm not super happy with this IAC. We'll be replacing that in the future, but the price will reflect it until we do replace it, and it'll probably go up just $1 or $2, whatever. But anyway, it's all here. You got extra pins, so check to make sure if what pins you're using are ones you need, and you got extra of in practice. So if you haven't had to practice in a while, maybe practice on the ones that you do have extra of. And the cool thing is how this is set up on our website is you can literally open this guy up on your website, click, it's all hyperlinked. So if you want to know how to pin any of these connectors, you click on it, and in the description there'll be a video, just like there's a video in this one showing you what crimpers you need to use and how to pin it, depin it. So yeah, basically the easiest way to do it is just do it one connector at a time. Just take it, cut it off, grab the one replacement, use the one you cut off as a template, pin it back in there, and bam, it's that easy. So yeah, hopefully that helps you guys out. It is the LS harness repin kit, available at monkeyfabgarage.com.